Mose Persico for Wine and Travel Italy. What is the cuisine like in the Veneto region? Well, joining me now is La Signora Graziella Pasqua. Signora Pasqua, tell me a little about what type of foods we can find in the Veneto region.
Veneto food is very poor food.
So, because they're farmers. It's
Yes, because the people,
right?
Veneto people was a farmer and they eat what they produce.
Right.
So they eat salami, polenta, mushrooms, truffles, fruit and cheese.
Okay, so what are you going to make for us today over here? I noticed that, I understand, it's fettuccino.
This is fettuccine, typical Veronese fettuccine, tagliatelle.
This is gorgonzola.
Gorgonzola, Italian people, Italian cheese.
And those are
And truffles from Veneto, because the best truffle in Italy is from Piemonte.
So the cuisine features light white sauces. I've noticed there's not a lot of San Marzano tomatoes in a lot of recipes in Veneto cuisine, is there?
San Marzano not because it's from south of Italy, but we have some tomato from our region, from our ground. Yes.
And they cook with fish a lot too. Well, in this region, fish.
Fish is from lake, only
Freshwater fish.
freshwater.
No saltwater fish here. So a lot of trout.
Now every restaurant have seafood, but in origin was bacala,
Cod, dried cod.
in trout,
Brook trout.
because we have the river and the lake.
Okay, let me see you cook now. So the water is boiling. You put salt in your water.
Already put inside the salt.
And this is going to be in Veneto. Do they like their pasta al dente? Sicuro, no?
Yes.
Oh, it's the same- it's the same.
In all Italy.
So that's going to. What else are you doing there?
And we can
Stir that. Girola. So who taught you how to cook? Was it something that you learned as a little girl growing up here in Verona, or your mom?
My mom was from Trento, north of.
That's near the Swiss border, right?
Yes, so I have a fusion cuisine because my family was from the north. And my husband from the south, so I must learn
Both regions.
both.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's a warm pot. So what are you gonna do?
And now, polenta.
La polenta.
La polenta.
Polenta is also very popular here in the
Yes,
Veneto
yes,
region.
yes.
It's basically cornmeal, right? For
Corn, because it was very
easy to make.
easy to make, easy to find, and not expensive.
And you could mix the polenta with vegetables, with meats. A lot of people in North America like to put
With cheese, salami, pancetta, and meat with sauce.
Right. And the key to making a good polenta, you have to constantly stir, right? Giro sempre la polenta.
Yeah,
You have to constantly whisk it.
until it
Thickens.
became
Si vede doppio.
solid.
Yeah. And it has to be done with, you pour the polenta over boiling water for best results,
Yes,
right?
it's better. It's cooking for 40 minutes, but I prefer use this easy and quick.
It's quicker.
Yes.
For sake of television, she got this ready for us. Okay, so that's turning. Look at that. Oh, that's thickening nicely. And I noticed you added no salt. No
Yes,
pepper.
before
That's-
I
oh, you
salt
did?
the water,
Oh, you salt the
salted water,
Okay.
and
And that's almost ready.
no, 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes.
And it stays. Meanwhile, the water is boiling for the fettuccine. So if you had to say your favorite Veneto dish, what would it be?
Risotto.
Risotto.
Risotto. It's
The region also famous for their rice.
Risotto is very popular in Verona, south of Verona, because we have a lot ground cultivated with rice. and is Vialone Nano in our quality of riso Veronese, typical Veronese riso. Is
Not yet. Okay, well, I'm gonna let her work in the kitchen, and then we're gonna get ready to plate this wonderful dish. Let's watch her in action. This is La Signora Graziella Pasqua in action. And we're just about to present the wonderful pasta dish. And of course, it is indeed a family affair. This is Maddalena, the daughter of La Signora Graziella qui. And now you're putting the finishing touches. You're putting olive oil on this. This is very powerful olive oil, right? Very rich. And this was a special truffle paste that you were telling us about. Tell us a little on how you come up to make this. This is basically this, which are truffles found in the region, right? It's okay. And you're putting this?
No, quello no. Gorgonzola.
And then gorgonzola? No gorgonzola. Not yet. Follow the rules here. You don't want to mess up Signora Graziella's cooking. So you mix that up. E questo si chiama fettuccini alla Graziella?
A tartufo.
Fettuccini alla tartufo here at Musella Winery with Maddalena and her mom in the kitchen. And of course, for more information, you can log on to their website, www.musella.it. For Wine and Travel Italy, I'm Mose Persico with the beautiful family, Graziella and Madeline, here in Veneto region in Italy. Grazie. Grazie molto. Buon appetito, as they say.
Buon appetito.